My hair is very greasy today. It needs a wash, but I have a glam event to go to, so I want to show you how I do like a sleek ponytail but make it glam. The key to a glam pony is to make it super sleek with absolutely no flyaways. So I'm going to be using this. This is the Mermade hair styling wax stick. This is really great for taming like little flyaways. It is quite lightweight though, so the next day your hair doesn't feel like overly caked in product, if you get what I mean. So I'm going to use it around the front of my hair and the parting, and then I'm going to take this brush, which is from Mermade as well. This brush is really good at scraping back all of the hair, and the wax stick just adds enough sort of like texture in the hair to be able to hold it down. Then from here you could either leave it down in a nice pony, or you could plait it, or you could even twist it up into a nice bun, but you've basically got that sort of structure of the nice sleek top half, so then you can do whatever you want. Just so you guys know as well, you do have up to 80% off until the 30th of November on Mermade Hair for their Black Friday sale, so make sure you make use of that. This brush as well is unreal, and they do some incredible hot tools. Yeah, that's pretty much how I get my sleek pony, bun, plait, whatever you want to call it. Let me know if you try it.